just caught myself and said to myself, Gretchen, turn on the video. You're fixing up your van. This is the van life stuff. So here I am, Gretchen, Pawsom, Fun and Frugal. So this is the first cleanup of the van since I have moved into my new place up in Oregon. So here's the hot mess it is right now. I cleaned a little bit out. I took the ice chest and my potty and stuff out yesterday. I should have started filming then. But here's where I am now. I have, see my potties. This is that mess there I need to clean up. Those are the shoes I wore in here, but I always take them off here. Ice chest is gone. I need to wash the rugs and put all this stuff away back in a better place. I'm restocking the clothes. I got some here. Let me turn the camera. And so, yep, so it's still pretty much in, you know, if I had to get up and go, I could, but it's missing quite a few things I'd like to have in here, like mostly enough clothes. And cleaning it up is important. Start off with a fresh, clean van. Yeah, so that's where I am right now, trying to clean up this hot mess. Okay, so cleaned up. Just everything's all cleaned up for now. I need to add back a blanket on here and what I call a dog cover. And I have my power banks in here right now because they're, oh, look it, I need to fix that. These keep coming off. I'm gonna have to tape this stuff back on. This one keeps coming off. I have to fix that. Yeah. See the corners. This cotton tack paper doesn't like to stick in this weather. That's the problem. So, but I've got all cleaned up. All this stuff's going in with me. I gotta go up and clean up the front. I got that all cleaned up. Because I put power banks here, and I put one here or on the floor. I put one over there. And I usually have one up front. But they're in the house charging up, and they'll come out when I need to go somewhere. Yep. Okay, floor's all cleaned up. So we're done back here. Oh. Now we gotta do stuff up here. Now for up here. Okay, there's a quick cleanup of the van. That's where it's a dog bed and a dog bed. It's where they sit and they get strapped to the seat by various methods. That car seat, dog car seat, has a strap, and then there's a purple one right there for whoever's sitting. And so the front of the van is cleaned up. It's not perfectly clean, but good enough.